Hello, Sana.
Hello, sir.
What do you have done today?
Today I have done the study of images formation by concave mirror. It has 6 cases.
Okay. So, can you show what you have done?
Yes, sir, sure.
The diagrams,
Yes,
all
sir.
six diagrams
Yes,
that
sir.
the images of any object that is formed by the concave mirror, right?
Yes, sir.
You have done so 6 cases. So, please explain one by one all these cases.
Yes, sir. So the first case is the object is kept at infinity. Object at infinity, here we're taking an object AB and it is like on infinity. So the position is gonna be, the position of an image is gonna be at focus.
Right.
Okay, so here we are taking the parallel line towards, and it will cut from the focus and it will go through it. And
Exactly.
then the other,
Another parallel line
yes,
is there.
another parallel line from here, and it is intersecting each other.
Yeah,
So
means
here,
all the parallel lines which is coming from an object
yes,
to the mirror, that is intersect from that
yes, sir. At
focus at
At
focus that
focus. So
passes
here
through
we can
focus.
see first position is coming at the position of an image is at focus.
Right.
And so we know the position now. So it's now about the nature.
Right.
Nature is real and inverted because we already know that the if the image is forming in front of the mirror, so
Right.
it is real and inverted. Size would be, the size is highly diminished. Yes, obviously, because object is at infinity, so obviously here we can see the sizes become like the image of the size is very small. So
That
it
is a point size
yeah,
images.
it's a point size image.
Very good.
So it is highly diminished. So the
Very good.
second case is we are taking object beyond C. Here we took at infinity. Here we are taking it before C, beyond C. So here it is AB. So the position of the image is gonna be between C and F. Here we are taking the parallel line. It is cutting the focus, and again we are taking another ray which is like coming from the center of the curvature and going back on that axis only. So we can see here it is cutting. Here it is cutting. Two lines are cutting here. So the image is gonna form over here
Between C and F.
between C and F. Here it is A and B. It's gonna be oppositely because here it is A and B. Right. Here it will be A dash and B dash.
Yeah.
So the position of images between C and F, nature would be real and inverted because it is in front of the mirror. Size is diminished. It is not highly diminished because there is a difference between
Yeah,
them.
the smaller in size. We can say the image
yeah.
is smaller than the object.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
here it is like diminished. It's very like it's small.
Yeah.
So
The third case?
third case is object. We are keeping the object at C, center of curvature. Here we are keeping the object at C. We can see that we are taking another parallel line over here, and it's coming from the focus, and another only from focus only. We can see that the lines are cutting over here. So in this case,
So when the line is passing parallelly to the principal
Yes,
axis,
sir.
it will cut from the focus, and
Yes,
when
sir.
it passes to the focus,
Yes,
it will become parallel to the
Yes,
principal axis, right?
yes, sir.
Fine. And they are intersecting at the point A dash, B dash, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the position of image gonna be at C only.
Exactly.
Nature is real and inverted, and size is same size. We can see that at like AB is here, the object is image is gonna be formed same as like the object. Like, but the difference is gonna be on the downside of the principal axis.
Right.
This is the third case of the image formation of by a concave mirror.
Concave
So the
mirror.
fourth case is object between C and F. Here we
Right.
will take object.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Here we will take object between C and F. C
Yeah,
and F.
okay.
Yeah. So here the fourth case. The fourth case is we are keeping object between C and F. Here we can see we are keeping the object between C and F. Here
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
see A and B. We
Yeah.
are taking, so we are taking the parallel line and it goes from the focus. Another line from the head of the object, top
Yes.
of the object, and it's coming on the pole, and then it's going from here. So we
Yeah.
can see it's intersecting, the two lines are intersecting each other at this point.
Yeah.
So at this point the image is gonna form.
Yeah.
But so the position of an image is beyond C. In this case, the formation of image would be beyond C. Nature of the image is real and inverted as it is in front of the mirror. Size would be larger. As we can see here, the image, the object over here is smaller than the image forming over here. So the size is larger, because it is like we can see here it is a larger image is forming larger.
Yeah.
So we are done with the fourth case. So right now the time is for fifth case. Okay, so the fifth case is object at focus. Now we are taking object at focus. So here we can see an object is kept over here on F. We are
Yeah.
taking a parallel line. It's going from the focus. It's cutting
Yeah.
the focus, and then again we are taking another line, another ray from the top of the object. Here we can see, and it's going through the center of the curvature and coming back to it. So we can see here the position of an image is at infinity because we can see it's not meeting, it's not intersecting. So it's gonna be infinity. Nature is real and inverted. Size is highly enlarged. Like if it is on infinity, obviously it's gonna be highly enlarged. So this was the fifth case. The sixth case is object in between F and P. Here we are keeping this case is different from all the five cases because here there is something gonna be different from all of the five others. So here we are taking the object between F and P, focus and pole. We can see we are again taking the parallel line and it's going from the focus. Again we are taking one another line from the top of the object, and then we can see we are taking it from the pole. So we can see here the case would be different because the image is gonna form behind the mirror. As we can see here, it's not meeting, here it's not intersecting, so it will go from the back. Here we can see it's, if we are like constructing a line together of it, it's like meeting at this point. So at this point meeting, so yeah, this point there would be image formation. As we can see here, A and B, there would be, this is the image formation here. So the position of an image is behind the mirror. As we can see here is behind the mirror, image is forming. And nature is virtual and erect, because virtual erect comes where the image is forming behind behind the mirror. So that is why the nature is virtual and erect. So the size, obviously we can we can see the size here. The object size is smaller than the image forming over here. So the size is larger than the object, or like the size of the image is larger than the object. These were the all six cases of images forming by concave mirror.
Very good. You have explained very well.
Thank you, sir.
And your concept is very good. You understood all this thing. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, it was like really, I was having some kind of problems of not getting it properly. But right now you taught me like so properly. Like now I have I have understood every each point of all the cases. So thank you for that. So
Thank you, Sana. And it will very helpful for you
yes,
when we are doing any numerical questions. So best of
Thank
luck for your boards exam also.
thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.